and I'm going to do a boss battle. I'm going to do the King Slime boss battle. Oh, she serious? Be quiet, I'm doing the King Slime boss battle. I don't even know how that happened, he just magically spawned. Okay, we need to quickly get this done. He's like, that was so fast, randomly just spawned. I think we got this. Oh, slime gun. That's not that good. Okay. Bye guys, I'll see